Hi everyone, it's Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished installing a StarLine E96 on this Mitsubishi Outlander 2017. So how it works is you need this tag with you. Unless you've got the tag, then basically what will happen is the alarm will not activate. So it's just picked up the tag there. Let me just move away. So I'm going to get Richard to just open the door. Let's go for it, Richard. He's got the key, so he's going to... Alarm's going off now. Vehicle won't start either because it's immobilized. Now if I walk up with this tag, it will just auto disarm. There you go, it's just disarmed now and the vehicle's ready to drive. So no tag, no start. Also any illegal entry without this tag is going to trigger the alarm system off. The tag is it works on 128-bit Bluetooth encrypted, so it's physically impossible to grab the frequency on this. If you're interested in getting this done, get in contact with us. Thank you.